Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is writing formulas for arithmetic sequences. It's all based off of a formula that I'm about to give you. Here it is. A sub n equals a sub 1, so the value of the first term, plus n minus 1 times the difference. And so we're just going to plug stuff into it and see what happens. Okay, so value of the first term is negative 61 plus n minus 1 times the difference. The difference here is plus 1. It's going up by 1 each time. Then I do a little distribution. So negative 61 plus n minus 1. So n minus 62 when it's all simplified down. N minus 62. If I plug in a 1, out comes a negative 61. If I plug in a 2, out comes a negative 60. Seems to be working. So again, I start with this basic equation. A sub n equals a sub 1, value of the first term, n minus 1 times the d. Value of the first term is 5. N minus 1, the difference here is 5, right? It's going up by 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Simplify it down. Those are going to cancel, so it's just going to be a 5n. Value of the first term, 71. N minus 1, the difference here is 1, so 71 plus 1n minus 1, or 70 plus n, or n plus 70, depending on how you want to write it. What did I do wrong? N minus 1, value of the first. Where did I get the 71 from? Where did I get the 71 from? I plugged in a 71. Should have been a 74. Oh my goodness. Hey, let me turn my lights back on. All right, let's pretend like I got it. Okay, value of the first term is negative 74 plus n minus 1 times the difference, which is negative 74. Right? It's going down by 74 each time. So negative 74 plus negative 74n after the distribution plus 74. These guys cancel, so negative 74n. Value of the first term is 49, n minus 1, and the difference here is negative 1, distribution, 49 minus n plus 1, so 50 minus n. What is my problem? Oh my goodness. The difference is a positive 1. The difference is a positive 1, Bar. Whoa. I'm getting destroyed by this thing. This should have been a positive right here. It should have been a positive, and I put it in as a negative. Okay, let's pretend like I got it. Come on. I'm just going too fast or something. Okay, value of the first term. N minus 1 times the difference, which is 8. Distribution. So it's just going to be 8n. Value of the first term, n minus 1 times the difference. Difference in this case is 1. 4 plus n minus 1, so 3 plus n. If I plug in a 1, out comes a 4. If I plug in a 2, out comes a 5. It seems to be working. Value of the first term, 23. N minus 1. Difference is 23. It's going up by 23. 23 plus 23n minus 23. These 23's cancel. 23n. Let's jump a level. Oh, that was a big jump. Value of the first term is negative 23 plus n minus 1 times the difference. This time it's going down by 23. It really is going down, yes. Negative 23 minus 23n plus 23, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Cancel, cancel, so negative 23n. That one's straightforward. I'm going to jump a level. Okay, cool. So this one, we're going to create the function for it, and then we're going to use the function. Value of the first term, 8. N minus 1. The difference here is 8. It's going up by 8. So I have 8 plus 8n minus 8. So my function is 8n. That's going to go right there. But now we're going to use it to find the 14th term. So 8 times 14 is 112. 8n is the expression. The 14th term is 112. If I plug in a 1, out comes an 8. If I plug in a 2, out comes a 16. Good. Value of the first term is 10, n minus 1 times the difference, which is 1, so 10 plus n minus 1, or n plus 9. Okay, there's the expression, and we're going to plug in a 95, and when I plug in a 95, out comes 104. N plus 9. If I plug in a 1, out comes a 10. If I plug in a 2, out comes an 11. That seems to be working, and 104. Because 95 plus 9 is 104. Let's jump a level. It's a pretty big jump. And there's nothing different here. Value of the first term is negative 95. Plus n minus 1 times the difference, which is, it's actually going up by 1 each time, so plus 1. So negative 95 plus n minus 1, so n minus 96. There's the function. And now let's plug in a 41. So 41 minus 96 is negative 55. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.